I'm Vivian, age 72. I came to know about Chiro Lounge through my vocal teacher, Mr. Stanley Cheong. And I decided to sign up because I had some few malfunction in the sense that I got up in the morning, I found a bit dizzy, and I also have this urinary incontinence, you see. I signed up, I went to Dr. Joey, and we had an interview before we do any treatment. So I told her my priority is to treat my giddiness and also my UI, they call it. So and in between, I developed a cough and cold. So I told her about it, and then she said, no problem, you know, it can also be done. Within 1 week, I've done 4 treatments. Quickly, every alternate day, I went for 3 more treatments. So in between, she said she treated me for my cough and cold as well, and especially my left ear, which I had a deep pain actually in the past. So she said that has something to do, you know, with the non-alignment of certain bone structure, which I believe so. So as the treatment was more definite in the sense, so you really feel discomfort. But after that, I felt really good, and my cough has improved, and my UI seemed to have improved too.